All right, guys, so I am super duper duper excited. Today we do have kinky straight hair from Nadula, of course. She is 20 inches, okay? I love the construction of this unit. The hair was soft. It didn't have any type of smell straight out the box. So yeah, like I said, this unit is constructed different than the other headbands that I've showed you guys so far. This unit has two combs, one at the top and one at the nape, but this unit is secured by the drawstring. So there's drawstrings on the side which you can, secure in the back. I always double cross mine because I feel like it, fits secure. But when you do that, the comb will bulk up in the back. So do be mindful of that if you do it that way. So, like I said, it does not come with Velcro at all. You do have to secure it with the drawstrings that are provided. This is the headband that comes with the unit, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so you guys can see. So I love how this unit is constructed as well because the track is sewed underneath of it. So if you guys, your hair was blowing in wind, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just they just have it constructed where there is no track showing at all. So it's like a half wig if you want to call it that as well. So with this way they constructed it and sewed it on, it's just flawless. You don't need like a thick headband either to cover up the Velcro or any track showing because there is none. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what it looks like in the back. I don't be combing at all or brushing the back of the nape of my head, so it'll be looking like BB knots and stuff like that. So y'all gonna have to excuse that, but I just tie this headband in the back like this, and there you go. So if you're wearing a high ponytail, it would be that. But like I said, it does bulk up a little bit in the back because I have my drawstrings like crossed over like in the X way, if that makes sense. But this is what the hair looks like before I alter it, nice and poofy. I wanted to blow dry it, but I just decided to straighten it out just to see if it would give me a little bit more length. Not necessarily that, I just wanted to see what the hair would look like straight. But I'm gonna go ahead and not blow dry it, Lord. I'm about to go ahead and detangle it, and then I put some heat protectant on, and we're just gonna go ahead and straighten it. I don't show both sides because honestly that's repetitive and everyone knows how to straighten their hair, I suppose. So yeah. I'm completely in love with this unit. Look how much length we gained just by straightening it. It's so freaking pretty. I mean, freaking pretty. It's soft and silky, y'all. That looks so freaking natural, and I'm just here for it. I turned around and brushed it in the back so you guys can see how full and thick this unit is, y'all. This looks so freaking natural. It makes no sense. I am just taking some shears and just cutting the ends. I don't want them like blunt, but some pieces were along the other, so I was trying to make it pretty much even. But this is what she's looking like before I do anything to it. She looks so natural and so pretty, and hey, you could just go at the door like that. Of course, I wanted to test it to see if it could hold some curls and all that good stuff. So I do add hairspray and use a different flat arm to curl her up. And I love how she cold curls as well. I do ended up taking my fingers and just brushing it out. But y'all, this hair so far is so bomb. Alright guys, so this is how the hair turns out after I combed out the curls. I really like it. Like I said, this is by far one of the naturalist headband wigs I've had yet. Like I said, you can leave your own hair out and make it into like a half wig and just, do it that way. I probably would try that if my hair was out, but my hair is in braids underneath of there. So yeah, this hair looks very natural and very close to my hair texture. So I'm just here for it. I love the thickness from the root to the tip. Like I said, I did have to trim up the ends a little bit, but that was nothing to worry about. This unit didn't give me any problems. There was no tangling whatsoever. I did not experience that. And shedding, I can't even recall if the unit shed. That's how crazy it was, y'all. So I'm going to just say I had minimum shedding because I don't remember it shedding at all. Okay. So no cons with this unit. This was a plus in my book. I love working with this unit. If you guys are interested in this unit yourself, the information will be in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoy, and until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.